Welcome back to the channel. In today's short tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Swept Boss slash base in SolidWorks. This is one of the most powerful tools for making pipes, handles, tubes, wires, and custom shapes. A Swept Boss is created using two elements. 1. A profile, the shape you want to sweep, like a circle or rectangle. 2. A path, the route the profile will follow. Let's jump into SolidWorks and build one. Start by opening a new part file. Go to the front plane sketch. Use the spline or line tool to create the path you want. Here I'm drawing a simple curved path. Once done, click Exit Sketch. This sketch will become the sweep path. Now select the top plane and start a new sketch. Draw the profile. Here, I'll make a circle of 20 millimeters diameter. You can choose any shape depending on your design. Finish the sketch and exit. Go to the Features tab and select Swept Boss slash base. In the Property Manager, set Profile as the circle sketch. Set Path as the curved sketch. You'll instantly see the 3D sweep created. Press OK to confirm. You can also try Guide Curves for more control, Twist Options for spiral-like shapes, Thin Feature for hollow tubes. Experiment to understand how the sweep behaves. That's it. Your Swept Boss is ready in just a few steps. If you like this quick tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SolidWorks videos. See you in the next one.